All right, happy Wednesday morning. We just got done with our trading because we were managing a trade, so it went a little longer than normal. But here's my P&L for the day, which is really nice. You can either look at that as 100 MES points or 10 ES points. I only traded MES, so I count it as 100 MES points. So let me show you my trades today. So my first trade this morning, I took this short here. Then I took this short here. Then I took this short here, then I took this short here. I'd love to say I was long, but I was short. The trade I missed out on, I should have been long here, but I was managing this short. You know, you can get fancy and reverse your trade, but I just chose, that's where I exited my short. But it is what it is. The better trade would have been going long here, but I am not complaining. So this is the entry for this short. This is the entry for this one. I only made little, but it only did little. And then this one is the one I loaded up on right here. And we managed this trade and did very well. I was trying to hold on to making a 20 pointer, but it didn't quite get there. It came back and got me out on this move right here on my final runner. All through here, I was taking contracts off and did very well. It was a fantastic morning. And we'll be back on Zoom here in a couple hours for the statement and the interview. And I'll decide whether or not I want to trade at all or if I just want to watch. So that was fantastic. Many of my traders also took this trade here, which was great. We had so many 10 pointers. Justin had another 20 pointer today. So congratulations to my traders. I think we traded this perfectly. See you in a couple hours. Stay green, my friends. And to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.